Well, I don't know how this works. Let's see. Let me get my Facebook up on the screen. See if I can see me. There we go. I'm live. Oh, here, I gotta play it. Okay, so I'm live, and I'm watching myself on the screen here, and I've got this turned on, and let me say today is, let's see here, well, today is November 24, 1:19, whatever, in the afternoon, and this is about an unboxing of a Ryobi pdd209ksb, which I have right here. You can't quite see, but someone's going to ask me about a boombox, so here's a boombox. I have a Sony CFS-W302. Okay, it's a double cassette. See, can you see that? You can see that, right? So pull this down. There's a double cassette. I got Led Zeppelin in there, and I've got my famous mixtape in here. Let me hold this up to the camera here close so you can see it. Alright, so it's got these buttons. Here's your tuning. This is your more tuning. This is your auto reverse. This is your auto reverse button. This is your tape, your two different dubbing speeds, and then your radio. And you've got your line in. You've got your indicator lights for that. You've got your standard cassette player. This is supposed to have music search, but I haven't been able to get it to work yet. It's only one time only. And then this is anyway. And then this also has a clock, and it has your volume and tone, and that's it. And I'm running it on Zentner batteries, which look like this, look like that. They charge with the USB-C connection. These are the what are these? These are the 11,400 variety, the blue ones, right? And I'll just show you in the back here briefly if I can keep it without the batteries all flopping out. But there they are. There's a bunch of batteries. Okay, so put the cover back on. And okay, so then just ever so briefly, I'm going to play this one here. So here, that. Wait, yeah, I got it on. That's the other side. So, sorry, that's all you get to hear there. And then here's this one. And I gotta wait for it. I start rewind at the beginning. I forgot. It's got a clock. I don't know how to. So there's that working. And so in case you've never seen one before, that's what that looks like. I'm gonna turn this down. Use it kind of like a timer in the background here. And then okay, so here is Home Depot's Black Friday deals. And one of the deals on the very top of the page here is, can you see that here? I'm looking at myself in the thing. For $39.97 you can get this 18-volt brushless, brushless, okay. Drill driver with a 1.5 amp battery, 21-piece set, magnetic holder, battery and charger. Yahoo! 40 bucks, right? Well, here, you didn't see that? Okay, here it is. It's, Black Friday 2023 and Home Depot, and there it is, right? I forgot to mention that. I'll put that in the, but there it is. Is that the right one? Here. Hopefully you can see that, but that's the one I got, right? So there it is. Of course, because I'm a veteran, let's see here. Well, I don't know if you can do anything with the barcode. Maybe you can. Well, here, here. So I paid $39.97 plus or minus $4 because I'm a vet. So I got it for $35.97 total with, or no, $38.94 with tax. All right, so there we go. There's that. All right. So here it is. It's this here. It's never been opened. It looks like that. Okay. I'm just holding that for them, but in case you know. So here's this. I'm watching myself on the screen there, so kind of fun like that. So I don't know how this box opens, so I'm just gonna pick an end here, I guess. Not that end. I guess we'll pick this end here. We'll just kind of rip into it, I guess. Could be scientific about it, but just pry this end up. There we go. So we're in that end. We're in this end. Ooh, register today. Get 10,000 something. Okay, so get 10,000 something right there. Okay, or no, you're over here. Okay. All right. Yeah. Didn't know where the camera was, but there it is. Okay, so there's that. I did open the right end. So here's the, wow, massive instructions on how to, oh wow, and then here's the magnetic bit right here inside the instructions. Here's the, okay, so folded, you know, not even just thrown in there, right? So there's that, okay, so that little piece. And then we have, what else we have? We have a, I just thought this was an interesting little charger here. So this is a charger that just plugs on top of the battery. I guess I could plug this on top of any battery, but I won't expect it to charge really fast. But this is nifty. I'm sure it can't put output too much. You know, it said 2 hours to charge this little battery, so it probably takes like 4 hours to charge my other battery. And then here's the bits that come with it. So they're in a little plastic bag and just a little holder and nothing much to it. Okay. Then we have a, here's this. So it's small. It's already got a bit holder here. And there's an LED light, I think, that I read about somewhere. And so it looks like that. Okay. It's a 3/8, got a torque deal here. It's just a 1-speed or whatever. Okay, we'll mess with that later. Okay, then we got the battery. So here's the battery. Here's the little cardboard, and here's the battery in a plastic bag. And so we undo the plastic with this. So there's that. Oops. Let me just get the plastic bag out of the plastic. Yeah. Just throw that away because we don't need that. And we can, nothing else in the box. Alright, that was it. Okay, so we'll put the box back over here. Alright. So now let's see if it's got any battery juice in this thing. It's got 2 bars. Wow, and they're bright. You see that? Came on ever so briefly, so that means it's got power. Now, I do want to move this out of the way, kind of, sort of, and bring this up to the front. Because this is the reason why I'm getting this, because I've been using this for quite some time to unscrew stuff with, and this is just a little bit smaller, so a little bit less to have to hang on to. And I just wanted to compare the two briefly. This one has a little magnetic catch, this one doesn't. Right there, it's still got the tool carrier thing, but this has extra light. I've never used the magnet holder thing because you'd be drilling on stuff and the thing might just fall off, who knows. So, without further ado, let's take my should be fully charged battery. Let's see here. Yeah, it's fully charged. Unchuck that and put it up in here like that. And right, and oh, we got a cute light That's in the locked position, but if you can use that light for, I don't know what you're going to light up with, but so pulling on the trigger without it having it being turned on, let me turn that thing down. So without the going left or right, and just pulling on the trigger with the trigger locked position, you can turn the light on. So maybe they don't say that. So we put it in that side. We got some sparks. You see that? It says brushless, but I mean, why would it have sparks if it? This got brushes. This is not brushless. Is this thing brushless? I mean, the ad says, wait, 18 volt brushless, right? And this doesn't say if it's brushless. It doesn't say brushless. So it's probably just a regular drill, but now I'm curious because this one said it's brushless. And I know and you know that when you operate something with an electric motor that it shouldn't have any, if it's brushless it won't have any brushes back here and there won't be any sparking. So let's see here. You see those sparks? Wait, I'm trying to hold this so you can see that. I can't see it, but yeah, I can see it ever so briefly. Let's see. Yeah, there's sparks in there, man. Okay, so it's not brushless. I mean, I know brushless would be having to have any brushes. It would be an inductive motor and high tech and all that, but this is not brushless. Oh well, let's see here. I know it won't make a difference, but let me take the battery that's only half charged, the little tiny one, and put it up in here and see if that's any difference. No, we still got a spark. Okay, well, and of course it goes the other direction. Yeah. Okay, so, oh, it's got a good torque. Okay. Let's see, how do we put it on drill? Oh, that's the wrong one. Go with this one. Yep. That's definitely torquey. Okay, so alright, so well, I've had too much fun here. I'll definitely use this, but I'm just curious about the one little thing that said that it's supposedly brushless and it's not, because it's got sparks. See that? That's got brushes in there, so this will wear out over time. Don't know how long the brushes will last, but it should last a while. At least long enough for me to use it for some time. But okay, well, that was my little mini review and hopefully short video about this, and give you all some question about, hey, brushless here and sparks flying there. Okay, so I mean, I'm sure it'll work fine, but if you're buying this thinking you're gonna get a brushless motor, you're not. It's not brushless. Okay, because you know, I could sit here and explain about motors, but this has got two brushes on the back side of the motor and an armature, and then I can't remember all the rest of the parts. I mean, what, 50 years ago I worked in an electric motor repair shop, so I mean, I used to cut out the old windings and wind new windings, put the windings back inside the core, the stator, and you know, put new bearings in the armature and all that, and clean the all that. Can't remember all that stuff. I know so many things about so many things. That was in Hightstown, New Jersey, on Main Street. I think it was Hightstown Electric Motor Repair Company or something like that. I actually went and visited up there back in the year 2017 or something and met the owner. But anyway, he can't remember everybody who's passed through his shop. Okay, so I have that. I spin that. Here's this thing once again. It's still playing. It still works. This is for sale. It's got a clock. Both tapes play. Okay, but we're not going to sell that music. So even listening to my demonstration tape, which is here, like that. And it'll go loud, but I don't want to annoy everybody. Oh, there, we just heard it through my headphones there. Delayed response. Let's try that again. Wait, let me do that again. Let's do it here. Let's see, I'm listening to it on my headphones. Bring the headphones up and out. Okay, so here we go. Crank it up, right? And turn it down. How about that? Nifty. Okay, so we're live on Facebook. We've got a backup YouTube channel working. And I'll upload this later. But in the meantime, my next little project, so I've got to go and let's see. Today was whatever day it was. Today is Black Friday. And I have it here somewhere. Maybe it fell. Well, let's see here. Oh, here they are. Okay. I got to go out here and work on my truck and clean the battery terminals. I just put a new battery in it. The old ones I have in there, they got corroded or whatever, and so I thought I cleaned it, but it's a new battery, and so it charged up a little bit, and it's got some stuff on wherever, and so I'm going to go out and remove the battery cover and put these underneath it and clean it up. And I need this to take the battery cover off. I need this to take off the 8mm for the battery hold down, and the 10mm to take the battery terminals off and clean and replace and put these on. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to do next. It's 1:36. I may not have enough time to do that because I have to go take, well, I'm not going to say that. I have more things to do today. Alright, so good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my mixture of a playing this and this one versus this one. Okay, so we got this one versus that. It's definitely smaller. Okay, and I'm just miffed that this one here. I mean, this one's not brushless, but it doesn't show the sparks through the motor opening. Okay, of course I've been using this for a long time, and this has an electric brake. And this one, well, anyway. Okay. Makes you wonder. Oh. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Good day. Bye-bye. I gotta go. I gotta stop this. I don't want to bore you to death. Right. Oh, okay. I'll just put this up here. Alright, so. Alright, so here, give me this. Alright, so give me that. This. I'll just take a quickie picture. Alright, so here's this. That. The radio. This in here, right? And then put this up here and say, hey, is this brushless? Wait, we gotta turn this off. Sorry. So yeah, just put it up there on your legs, and yeah, that's good. So hit stop. Okay, 19 minutes. Good day. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.